Hi, I'm Stuart, and welcome to SIRENNET Television. Well, unfortunately, due to seriously adverse weather conditions and some catastrophic fires here in the Pacific Northwest, we have been able to get some footage of a sergeant's Tahoe that was being built over at Starcar, where I currently am right now. The vehicle has since gone to its home with one of our customers here in the Northwest. But owing to the weather conditions and the amount of smoke that's in the air, it's not safe for anyone to really be outside filming, or any of the gang at Starcar to be able to put the vehicle outside and have all the lights on. So I'm going to show you footage of the vehicle being built over here by the gang at Starcar. And then I'm going to show you footage of the vehicle as it was completed over at the customer's facility as well. But unfortunately, we're not able to put the lighting on. So for those of you who do want the lighting on, it's not going to happen in this particular video. Anyway, let's go inside Starcar right now and see what they're up to. Well, there you have it. A 2020 Tahoe Sergeant's vehicle being completed here for a customer in the Pacific Northwest. Great shout out to the gang over at Starcar, and many thanks for all their help. For those of you involved in the fires here in the Northwest, whether you're in California, Washington, or Oregon, please stay safe. I know some good friends of mine who are firefighters who are actively involved in fire suppression in Clackamas County, and they're having a hell of a time right now. But I wish them well, and I know that they'll be fine. They're tough guys and gals, so they'll do their best, that's for sure. But for the rest of you around the world who watch SIRENNET from time to time, I'd like to thank you all, as usual. Please stay safe wherever you may be. This is Stuart. You've been watching SIRENNET Television. Have a great day.